Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson 13 ER verbs in Spanish. So, I'm wondering you have learned already two types of regular verbs which cater to almost 90% of the regular verbs. Now we're moving on to the category of ER verbs. All the type of verbs are important to learn and this is the last one. Post this, we will be able to make small sentences with all the vocab that we've learned till date. If you want to learn more words, you can visit our Word of the Day series, which will give you almost 50 plus words in Spanish. And do tell us if you want us to cover any new words in any of the foreign languages that we cater to. That is Italian, Spanish, Portuguese or French. So guys, today is ER verbs. Are you all excited? So let's get started. ER verbs. Comer, to eat. What do we do here? I've already explained you the process once. To make this process more concrete, let's again revise the entire process. Comer is to eat. From the comer verb, er is the ending. We remove the er and then only com is left. This we put with all the personal pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas. Now, we have put all with com as well, which is our radical left out of the process of removing the ending. And next is putting the endings. When you remove the er, you have to definitely put something to make it look different, right? As we did in our last session of AR verbs. So now we go on to the endings part. Yo is always accompanied by O. Yo como, I eat. Tú is accompanied here with the ending of es. Tú comes, you eat. Él with e. E is the ending. Él come, he eats. Ella again, the ending repeats. Ella come, she eats. E is the ending. Nosotros comemos. Hemos is the ending. emos, meaning we eat. Vosotros coméis, you eat. EIS is the ending. Ellos comen, they eat. Ellas comen, they eat. EN is the ending, common ending for both ellos and ellas. EN. Now, let's get on to a good part. A set of verbs for all of you to practice ER conjugations. Let's read out one by one the verbs that fall into the category of ER ending verbs. Aprender, to learn. Beber, to drink. Comer, to eat. Comprender, to understand or to comprehend. Correr, to run. Creer, to believe. Leer, to read. Proteger, to protect. Responder, to respond, to answer. Vender, to sell. You can conjugate all of these verbs in the same manner as we did for comer. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Are you Ruko? Please press the bell icon to not miss any update of our language channel Bloomlingo, and wait for our next video as we are covering many of the concepts which will help you build your language skill. So see you soon. Bye bye.